wake up, it's a brand new day. Lana and Panda are on their way. Off to the store, let's pick up some food. Fruits and veggies so good for you. Should we pick candy? No, no, no. Let's choose bananas, watch us go. Shopping, shopping, what will we find? Healthy foods to keep us kind. Shopping is done, now where should we go? A yummy place with a friendly glow. Sitting down, it's time to eat. A tasty meal, a little treat. Look all up, what do we see? A little boy sad as can be. Father, kinda give a big one love. Come with us, stay for a while with style. Come and eat, let's share our meal. Little kindness, how good it feels. Off to the store, new clothes to wear. A brand new outfit to show we care. Helping hands make the world so bright. A little kindness makes everything right. Giving is magic, it fills your heart. Lana and Panda are doing their part. Sharing is caring, it's what we do. A little kindness shines bright in you. Helping together